Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an administrator account and your password. This lets you run repair commands. Once ready, open an elevated command prompt, press Windows, type CMD, right-click, Run as Administrator. You need to check for existing recovery environment files, run reagent/info to see status. This tells you if Windows RE is disabled, missing, or misconfigured. While you have the console open, make a note of the system drive letter so subsequent commands target the correct partition. Once done with the initial check, disable the recovery environment to prepare for repairs. Type reagent/disable and confirm. Next, if reagent/info showed missing, locate a local install. Wim or the WinSXS folder and copy the \/Windows \/system 32 \/recovery files to the system drive's recovery folder, then point RE to that path. Use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files that could prevent recovery from registering. After copying files and fixing the image, set the recovery image. Use reagent/setrimage/pathc \/recovery\/Windows RE, adjust letter if needed. Then enable the environment with reagent/enable and run reagent/info again to confirm enabled and the correct path. Reboot and test advanced startup by holding Shift while clicking Restart. Choose Troubleshoot to ensure Windows loads the recovery environment. If it fails, try restoring a recent system image or repeat dism/sfc. Persistent failure often means missing or incompatible recovery binaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.